where civilization began. The 1,000-year-old ancient trees of the Aegean embrace the sun. Each olive harvested at the perfect moment without harming nature, with care and devotion picked by hand. Because we know that the finest oil comes only from the healthiest olives. This heritage, gifted by nature, is crafted with sustainable energy and the precision of modern technology. We preserve its purity, bottling flawless quality in every drop. From nature to your table. Miraculous, pure, natural, perfect.